In this video, you'll learn how to create a mega menu navigation on Shopify using the Horizon theme. I'll walk you through everything step by step, from enabling the mega menu layout to building your navigation structure to customizing the way it looks inside your Horizon settings. And stick around because in a minute I'll show you a quick trick that most beginners don't notice when working with Horizon menus. But before we get started, if you haven't signed up for Shopify yet, make sure to grab their $1 per month for 3 months promo. You'll find the link in the description below. So to get started, you first need to understand how the Horizon theme treats menus. Unlike some other themes, Horizon has a section called Menu in the theme customizer. This is where you decide how your navigation looks, things like style, image ratio, typography, and even how it displays on mobile. And here's something most people don't know about Horizon as well. Even though the mega menu looks like a design feature, it actually depends on how you set up your navigation menu structure in the Shopify admin. That means if your menu is flat, Horizon won't show it as a mega menu. But if you nest items properly, Horizon automatically formats them into columns. Next, let's head into your Shopify dashboard. On the left side, click Content, then Menus, and from here, open your main menu or whichever menu you want as your header. You want to create a structure like this: a parent item such as all collections or shop. Underneath that, groups like men, women, accessories. And inside each group, your actual items such as long sleeve, t-shirts, bags, footwears, and so on. But it's really up to you what you want to put as your labels or categories. You can use simple collection names or extend them into more detailed groups if you want. And the important part is to make sure the first level of submenus in Horizon is treated like columns in the mega menu. The second level and the nested links will show up as links inside these columns. If you only use one level of nesting, you'll just get a simple drop down, not a true mega menu. And after you've added these items, hit save, and now you're ready to connect it with Horizon's mega menu. And now let's go back to your online store, themes, customize. On the left panel, tap the arrow down beside header. Inside there, you'll see an option for menu. Tap that, then tap replace, and choose the menu you just built in your navigation. After selecting it, you'll see a panel on the right where you can style it. Under style, pick something that matches how you want your mega menu to appear. If you choose featured products, Horizon will display product images inside your mega menu if your links point to collections. If you just want a clean text layout, stick to the basic style. And stick around because later in the video, I'll share a tip on how to make your mega menu visually stand out with product images without installing an app. From the same panel, you can change details like image ratio, choose auto, portrait, or square depending on your product's photos. Corner radius, these controls how rounded your product thumbnails look in the mega menu. And lastly, typography. For this, you can adjust primary, secondary, and tertiary fonts, size, and case. And here's something most people overlook. Horizon lets you set a different text hierarchy for your mega menu. If you switch to inverse, it makes parent items bold and sub-items lighter, which instantly improves readability. Try both options and see which feels right for your brand. Now let's talk about mobile, because a lot of people get confused here. On desktop, your mega menu appears as a wide drop-down with multiple columns. On mobile, Horizon simplifies it into an accordion menu. You can toggle settings like accordion or expand first group to control how submenus open. And later in the video, I'll share a quick tip that can save you time and how to make sure your mobile customers don't get lost inside too many menu levels. And here's also a pro tip for you. Keep your mega menu organized into no more than 4 to 5 columns. If you add too many, it becomes overwhelming. Group your collections logically: men, women, accessories, new arrivals, so that your customers can find what they want in just one hover or tap. And don't miss this part. If you link your menu items to collections that already have beautiful cover images, Horizon can pull those images into your mega menu instantly making it more engaging without extra work. And once you've set up everything, it's time to test your mega menu and see how it looks on your actual store. So click the eye icon or review your store from the Shopify admin, and then hover over the parent item you use for the mega menu, like all collections or shop. You should now see the drop-down expand into columns. With your groups and nested items displayed inside, now you can upgrade this and make it even better later, adding more styling, images, or even apps. But for now, I'm just going to show you how to do it in the simplest way. And here's something most people don't know. Horizon handles hover menus differently on desktop versus mobile. On desktop, you'll see the wide layout with multiple columns, but on mobile, it switches into an accordion view. Tap your parent item on mobile, and submenus will expand neatly below. And if you notice that the mega menu isn't showing up correctly, maybe it only looks like a simple drop down instead of a multi-column layout, double check everything that you've set up, at least 2 levels of nesting in your menu. And without that, Horizon won't trigger the mega menu design. And don't forget to test on both desktop and mobile, because what looks perfect on one might need a small adjustment on the other. This step will make sure your customers get the smoothest experience no matter how they browse. And that's how you create a mega menu and the Horizon theme on Shopify. We started by building the right structure in your navigation, then enabled the mega menu inside Horizon Theme Customizer. And from there, we styled it with typography, images, and layout controls, and finally tested it out how it looks on both desktop and mobile. And remember, your mega menu is more than just a navigation. It's the first impression customers have of your store's organization. A clear, attractive mega menu not only helps people find what they need faster, it also keeps them browsing longer and boosts your conversion rates further. And if you're new to Shopify, don't be afraid to experiment with different menu structures. Start simple, test it, and build up as you go. Horizon gives you flexibility, and once you get the hang of it, you'll see how powerful it is for guiding your customers through your store. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this tutorial made it easy for you to set up your Horizon Mega Menu. Keep building, keep testing, and I'll see you on the next one.